Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is Friday. Beautiful day outside today. Glad to have every single one of you in here right now. We got Frank, CFV, first in the chat, baby. Nick F, second. Frank, Darksider, how you doing? Crypto Burger, V for Vodka, Pika Power. We got Darksider, Frank, Coach T-Mac, Pika Power, J Bones, Pika, Dark Bro, Pika, CD Wit, Mark L, Dark Bro, Lineman Dave. What's going on, Lineman Dave? Pika Power, Lineman Dave, Mark, how you doing? Pika Power, Dark Bro, Mr. Simon, Pika Power, Pika, Mr. Simon, CD Wit. We get Simon, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for a bright and early banana, man. You take that banana, you peel it, you keep that eye contact. One of the most important parts. Tilt the head back a little bit, you lick, you stick. Dark Bro, thank you for waking everybody up with a beautiful banana. We love that, man. What does he say? Yes, I'm starting this early. Dark Bro, that's what I'm talking about. It's a party in the USA and party in the US. Never mind. Mark L, V for Vodka, Dr. D Qual, how you doing, man? Ali, Pika Power, Mr. Simon, Ali, MLG, Sound God, how you doing? We've got Erasmo, Al, Darksider, Mark L with a 2-month member chat. I love it. Pika, loving the green name. Pika rocks. Pika does rock, man. Mark, thank you very much for being in here. Chris is here. Chris, man, how you doing this morning, dude? Hopefully you're doing well. Coach, Dark Bro, Kurt, Charles, Kenneth, YNB Fight, and Pika Power. Let's go check out the market. Come on. Oh my gosh, dropped frames. Are we dropping frames right now? It says we're dropping frames on here. 25% over the last 2 minutes. Am I lagging? I don't want to lag. Don't make me lag. What do we got, guys? We've got AMC in the top left sitting up 9.30%. AMC killing it this morning. $9.45, up 9.32%. Shiba Inu coin up 6.84%. 13.05 per coin. GameStop up 8% right now. Woohoo! 27.87 at the moment. Terra Luna Classic back down a little bit. Having a very interesting morning, guys. Weeble doesn't have Terra Luna 2.0 on here, but I don't think it's a coincidence. I do want to get your guys' opinion on it. Terra Luna Classic dumps off from 52,000 points per coin to 37,000 points per coin. At the exact same time that Terra Luna 2.0 runs from $1.80 to $7 plus per coin. Same exact time. Do you really believe that people are selling Terra Luna Classic and moving to Terra Luna 2.0? Or do you think something's going on with these larger exchanges that took a big bet in listing Terra Luna 2.0 and maybe taking some of the recent gains from Terra Luna Classic and moving them over to 2.0 to help your little buddy Do Kwon out there? I don't want to sway your opinion, but that's what I think. All right. Nonetheless, let's go check out the market real quick. NASDAQ doing extremely well right now. Starting to sell off a little bit, sitting at 1263. GameStop, 7.80%. Bureau Therapeutics, 5.35%. AMC still up 9.66% right now. Ethereum, 1720. Ethereum is soaring, flying. Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, both solidly in the green. Sundial, 3.83% higher. Mullen Auto getting destroyed today. 53 cents right now. CEI, 32 cents. The SPY, 405.34. BBIG, $1.01 up 8%. Highcroft Mining, 75 cents. Netflix, 231. We've got Clovis sitting at $1.12. Boxed at $1.06. Revlon, 650. Terra Luna Classic, 45,000 points per coin. QQQ, 306. Ape sitting at 535. Sorry, Ape still doing very well today, pumping higher, 4.60% higher at the moment, man. Let's watch this Terra Luna Classic, see what happens here. Dark Bro with another super chat. Dark Bro says, people think they can sink LUNC. They will be wrong. Dark Bro, I do agree, man. Even if it is exchanges selling off, right? I don't think that that's a good idea for them to do. I do believe they should support it. I really don't think it's people, man. I really don't think it's people. Maybe some profit takers, but they've had plenty of opportunity in the coincidence or the coinciding of Terra Luna Classic and Luna 2.0 moving in complete opposite directions by similar amounts at the exact same time. That's strange to me. You don't really see that happening. 8 months for this is gonna get old. Peak Pika. 8 months, 2 months, whatever it is. It's gonna get old. Pika, you're never gonna get old. Trust me. You'll stay new forever. Congrats on the 8th-month Pika. We know how long it's been. Yes, we do. These big companies, corporate espionage. Man, JB, I don't like this espionage business. We need to get retail just destroying these corporations one day. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, click. I'm feeling like myself. So to answer your question, not looking back, feeling good, if that sounds better in my head. Not looking back, feeling good, if that sounds better in my head. Dude, I think I might have missed something on that, not looking back, but I love the fact that you're feeling yourself today, Chris. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I love it. Bro, what's happening with LUNC? Abubakar, man. Abubakar. That's a tough name, man. I'm not gonna lie. Abubakar. LUNC pulling back a little bit. That's kind of what we're trying to discuss here. Is it some sort of a corporate action that these centralized exchanges selling off Luna Classic, pumping Terra Luna 2.0? I highly doubt that it's retail, but not a coincidence in my opinion that Luna Classic pulls back and Terra Luna 2.0 just rides higher at the exact same time. Doquan definitely dumped a bunch of Luna Classic to put it in 2.0. The dude's desperate. Little Tim. Oh, little Doquan, when will you learn that nobody supports you? We've got to let it burn. Hey, bro, AMC, I might have me needing to change my strategy as I hit my target. If it keeps running, only thing that stays the same is everything changes. Yeah, Frank, man. AMC rolling higher today would definitely do that to you. But hey, nothing wrong with changing your strategy, man. Nothing wrong with that at all. Was wondering when the LUNC whales would jump on LUNC or rug pull. LUNC was running too good. 920 will make or break it for LUNC. CD Wit. So I don't think it necessarily 920 is going to make or break it. I believe the results of 920 are going to make or break it. I do believe that the burn tax will take place, and I believe we're going to see some decent action around that time frame. But hey, man, look, if we've got burns that are going to happen forever, it's not just 920 that's make or break. If the burns get implemented, and people stay excited about the project, yes, man, the future is absolutely bright. Crypto Gator, thank you very much for the membership, or becoming a member, sorry. Grabbing that green name, becoming a bro, that's what I want to see you guys right now. I want to see, 124 welcomes to Crypto Gator in the chat right now. Welcome, Crypto Gator. Welcome, Crypto. Thank you very much, Frank. Thank you very much, Pika. Really appreciate you guys. Dark Bro saying welcome. Heck yeah, that's what I like. Clever Lottery Stocks want to go live with you. Yes, he does, man. I don't know how to go live with people, though. Like, do I zoom them in and then put them on here? Like, I really don't know how to do that. But I guess that didn't work. Took your advice, shaved my positions, and going to invest more. Oh, there you go. Now I understand. Dude, so, like, okay, don't think that I'm a complete idiot if I don't understand it on the first time. It is just me reading text and then my thoughts going somewhere, and hopefully they go the same place as your thoughts and so on. But now I get it. Chris, good deal, man. That is absolutely what I love to hear. Welcome, Crypto Gator. Thank you guys for saying welcome to Crypto Gator. I love it. Thanks for the thoughts. Absolutely, see to it. Big fan from Germany here. Just another opportunity to buy some loot. Hey, rise again. Listen, if you believe in the burn tax being implemented and reducing the supply, this is yet another buying opportunity. Perfect way to look at it. I'm a lunatic. I'm stay. Sound guy. That's what the lunatics actually do. They're lunatics because they are crazy. And we've got some retail jumping in and trying to take advantage of the prices, right? Are they lunatics? I don't know, man. They're probably people looking for a profit. What we really need to see are the lunatics getting crazy and supporting no matter what. Kevin, hello, how are you doing? 124, welcome, Crypto. Yes, there you go, Crypto Gator. We've got 124 welcomes from Pika herself. All I have to say for LUNC is that people may see this as a negative thing, but there's multiple opportunities and one burn more at cheaper prices, and also load up, baby. Dip that buy. Buy that dip. Do it and watch it rip. Let's make it happen, man. We've got some volatility. Ooh, we got some volatility going on in the market right now. I see it over here ticking around. We got 2 Fed members speaking right now. It is noon. We got 2 Fed members speaking right now, so we're going to have to see if they tank the market, if they support the market, or what they're going to end up doing. But nonetheless, we do have 2 guys talking right now. Who are they? I looked them up a minute ago. We've got who are these guys? Where are they at? George and Waller are both speaking right now. So we got some volatility coming into the market with George and Waller from the U.S. Federal Reserve speaking right now. Burn taxes on chain means it's only happening on Terra chain volume, not volume shown on CoinMarketCap. Nagendra, yes, you are right, okay? But what we expected to see, and what we still do expect to see, is centralized exchanges adopting that burn tax. Because how can you go against what the blockchain is built for? If the blockchain is built based on this tax, you should honor that tax, right? If Bitcoin is built on the fact that there can only ever be a maximum 21 million Bitcoin, centralized exchanges should have to honor the fact that they can't create more Bitcoin. So that's kind of the expectation there. But you are right, man. You are right. If the centralized exchanges don't jump on board, there you go. Samanino, never ignore. Clay, one more question. One more question. Can you explain MEXC burn criteria? Because if we look into their trading volume, the 1.2% become 500 million LUNC burn per day, but they only burn 50 to 70 million. Yeah. So, Abubakar. So they're, and I could be missing something on this, but their burn tax is based on their trading fees, not on their actual trading volume. So what they charge you to make that trade is what they are burning there. And in that 1.2%, it could be less than what they charge you or what the total volume is. So you got to consider that when you're looking at how much MEXC Global is going to be burning. Also, it is only on 2 pairs. So they're doing, I think, USTC or something, UST versus against the LUNC. People might be trading different pairs with Luna Classic that are not involved in the burns. So, like if you're trading Luna Classic against Ethereum or something, if that's possible to do on their platform, that might not be burnt, or that shouldn't be burnt. But the 2 pairs that are burnable are the ones where you're going to see the burns on the volume there. So that's what you gotta to look at, which may make the actual number smaller than the number you're seeing on total volume. What do you say for individual who owns 100 USD of Luna? Vishal, man. Look, here's what I gotta say about Luna. Good luck and be convicted, okay? If you believe that it's gonna go up, back that up with why you believe it's gonna go up and focus on that. If you start to think it's going to go down, don't emotionally worry about it. But if you can justify that it's going to continue going down, hey, it might be time for you to shave your position, take profits, back out, something along those lines. You have to have a reason, not just a feeling, as to why you're in any trade, any investment, and so on. So please, man, be able to back it up. I don't care if it's $100, $10, or $10 million. Back up your investment with why you're in it. What's up, Clay Bro? JC Los, how you doing? Terra Luna 2.0, pump the 90 Luna crack. Very, very, very strange, isn't it, Hassan? People regret selling LUNC. Over the long term, I do believe you are correct. Guillermo, thank you for the super chat. Guillermo, killing it today, baby. Guillermo, how you doing this morning, man? Good morning to you. I'm buying 8 billions of tonic. Hey, Mark, man, I hope it works out for you. Let's see. We're just taking some out at 0.001, 0.01, 0.01, 0.1, and $1 are good. I'm worried about asking my dad for advice, and he's likely to whip out the jumper cables on me again. Dr. DeQual, man. Yes. Whether you change up those price points or not, I do believe stair-stepping out could be a good decision. It does alleviate some of your risk. It allows you to book profit. It allows you to continue moving higher. And as long as you are, trading on chain or with an exchange that allows you to burn, stair-stepping out and taking profits along the way is going to be absolutely necessary in order to reach those higher prices like 10 cents and $1 and so on. So I don't think it's bad, man. But everybody's got a different strategy. Some people will hold the entirety until they hit their mark. Some people will take it every 10%. They might take 5% of their portfolio every 10%. Everybody's got a different strategy when it comes to profit taking. Michael says, 2-month member. You know what time it is. Ooh, I know what time it is, Michael. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the most just consistent of all consistencies in the world. Michael, with another fist bump, man. Thank you very much, Michael. Really appreciate that fist bump and the 2-month member chat. What's up, Clay Rowan family? AMC Trapper, what's going on, man? Maybe a bear trap, Clay. You're doing a great job, bro. Hope you're doing... Guillermo, good deal. And I do think, listen, I don't know if it's some sort of a bear trap by technical traders or by whales or some sort of a trap like that. My mind goes to, decentralized exchanges or these institutions, that are holding Terra Luna Classic. They 10x'd over the last month or whatever, and they've got relationships with these Terra creators. They don't have relationships with the Terra rebels, man. Do Kwon, however, probably if CZ Binance, if that dude is over in Singapore or South Korea, wherever Do Kwon's hiding out right now, they probably go out and have lunch together. They probably eat dinner. I mean, he probably says, dude, you don't want to stay in a hotel tonight? Crash in my place. So it's strange, man, but I think there might be some sort of a loyalty there because I don't think anybody can disagree. I haven't seen any retail investors interested in Terra Luna 2.0. I haven't seen any of them. So that's what's got me a little weird about it. Dark, bro. LUNC will burn. We will succeed and thrive. Nothing will dude, this dude's a true lunatic right here, Dark, bro. I love it, man. I love it. When you've got that type of confidence is contagious. Dark, bro, dude. Absolutely love it, man. And I agree, okay? I agree. If everybody held that type of confidence, if everybody believed in the future of rebuilding this chain, let's not even get crazy, okay? Let's just say that, yes, we're going to regain a $50 billion market cap. That's reasonable. I mean, it truly is reasonable, especially during a bull market. It's reasonable to assume a coin can achieve a $50 billion market cap. Now, no burns at all, even included. From these prices, we 20x. A 20x gain from the prices we're seeing right now, incredible, man. Incredible. Everybody would be happy to 20x their money. $1,000 to 20 grand, 10 grand to 200 grand, $100 to 2 grand. Like, you're talking your major moves. Now, the burns, dude. If the burns continue on for years and years and years, that supply will be reduced. There's no denying that supply will be reduced. And all of a sudden, that same $50 billion market cap turns into 10 cents. A penny, 10 cents, $1, and so on. So it is a combination of how much you believe in the project, how long you're willing to wait, and to watch it play out that way. So yes, man, I believe success is inevitable if everybody continues on. All right, what do we got here? A little market recap. AMC still sitting up 9.72% right now, almost 10%. Very beautiful. Shiba Inu coin bounced down a little bit on the Fed volatility there. GameStop up 8% right now. Luna Classic sitting at 44,000 points per coin. We've got the NASDAQ falling down a little bit, but bouncing back up with 3 green candles right here. Sitting at 12,061. BR Therapeutics still up 5%. AMC 990 gonna hit 10% right there. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin solid in the green right now. Sundial up 4%. Molinado still having a very difficult day. 53 cents, 13% lower. CEI 32 cents, 405 in the SPY. PBIG 101. Highcroft Mining 74.5 cents. We've got Netflix sitting at $232. Clovis $1.12. Boxed $1.06. Revlon, we got Revlon at $6.51. Luna Classic 44,000. QQQ sitting at 305.76 right now. Decent sell-off as the Fed talked, and we might be coming back down on our way. Do seem to break out of that daily uptrend right there. So we're gonna have to watch this Maybe we have a daily downtrend going on into the close right here. We're going to see how this plays out. Tapping these potential lower highs. So we're going to watch that right there and see if this plays to the downside now. And Ape still sitting up 5%, barcoding right here at $5.38. Let's watch this bad boy and see what happens going into the afternoon. Fairgrounds Fun Days, heck yeah. I think it's smart to take profit from Shib or believe it'll go up for a few days from Man, Tim, if you got profit on Shiba and you're feeling like you should take it, maybe you should. But do I think it can go up from here? Yes. Why? Two major catalysts coming out. We've got the game and we've got Shibarium that should be out sometime in September. We have been told now that sometime in September we should be seeing this AAA graphics game, Shiba Eternity, and Shibarium, the layer 2, basically bone, the layer 2 blockchain for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. So those are two major catalysts that, yes, could drive it higher. So use that to weigh your decision and make up your mind. I buy Shiba with profit from Luna. There you go. What you know about this? Luna is 30. Sarbo Tiwari, man. I don't know if Luna 2 will go to $30 today. I think that would be a little bit crazy. But if you're in Luna 2, hey man, I hope you hit it. Doesn't mean that Luna Classic has to go down in order for Luna 2 to go back up. Let's see here. If we break this downtrend, maybe we will start coming back up on the QQQ, but nonetheless, guys, we might have some difficulty and we might be trending lower into the close right now. Not into the close, but into the afternoon. We did bounce off this little level of support right here, so we're going to have to watch and see what happens. Let's get a horizontal line on the chart right here to see if it does wedge down, if it either breaks down through support or if it starts to bounce back up and channel through this area throughout the afternoon. Something to watch on the overall market. I don't think that those guys speaking at the Fed, I don't know how much longer their speech is, but it doesn't seem to have affected the market negatively at this point. So we might be rolling into the close here. Buff stuff, baby. Oh, yes. Clay, when should we go all in on Shiba? When you're feeling frisky, buff stuff. When you're feeling frisky. What a difference a year makes. Had this happened last year, I would have been worried about changing strategy and maybe freaking out, and now I am mildly annoyed. Dude, yes. What a difference a year makes. Imagine 5 years, 10 years. Frank, this game will last the rest of your life, man. It's what I'm doing, holding both. There you go. What you know about this? Just hopped in your channel, bro. What do you think about Luna Classic drop, Luna 2 raise? You probably talked about it already. Yeah, Chris, so I actually did a video on it this morning, man. But nonetheless, I don't think it's a coincidence, right? I do think that you probably had big money, like these exchanges that have a relationship with Do Kwon. They probably sold off some of their gains in Terra Luna Classic and moved over to Terra Luna 2.0 to support Do Kwon in some sort of a strange way. I don't like it, but that's what I think probably is happening this morning. All right. Nonetheless, LUNC sitting at this level of support right here, 44,000 points per coin. We're going to have to see what happens if it tests it, comes down, goes up, or what's going on in that regard. Where's LUNC at? LUNC's at 44,000 points per coin right now. Price target for LUNC today, 1. Hopefully up, man. I don't have a set number price target for today. You think Shibarium release will create an all-time high for Shiba Inu coin? Timothy, I don't think that just the excitement of the release will create an all-time high for Shiba Inu coin. However, I do think that Shibarium could create an all-time high for Shiba Inu coin. Simply, if we do burn massive amounts of coins because of Shibarium, I think that could indirectly, lead to a much higher price for Shiba Inu coin longer term. I don't see the excitement of the release doing it though. Pika Power, thank you very much for one of the best super stickers there are, and because it's coming from the Queen, you guys got the king. Pika, you ready for this? Pika, thank you very much for the unicorn super sticker. Absolutely love that one, guys. Pika, thank you very much. It has been a while, and you've got that unicorn horn with the crown right there. Guys, Terra Luna Classic, could be falling through this level of support right here. It tested a couple times earlier today, but nonetheless, this is what we're looking at right now, and we might be tempted to go a little bit lower. So we're going to watch that play out down at the bottom left of the screen. Yes, it will bounce back. Good deal, Fairgrounds. I love it. Content creator, what's happening, man? Vertex, you know you like it, dude. What is the reason for 2.0? Adam, are you asking what the reason for the 2.0 increase is, or literally the reason for 2.0? The reason 2.0 exists is because Do Kwon abandoned Terra Luna Classic, and he wanted to move on to another project so he can continue getting paid for the rest of his life. The reason it's rising, I would imagine, okay, you can never really tell why people are buying. I mean, buying is technically an emotion. You were moved to buy it for a specific reason. You might like the name of it, therefore you bought it. I might like the project, therefore I bought it. So it's almost impossible to ever, peg the exact reason people are buying. But I believe we saw a lot of money flow out of Terra Luna Classic today and flow into Terra Luna 2.0. I don't think that was retail money. I think that was exchange money. So that would be my reasoning as to why Terra Luna was rising today. Claybro looks malnourished. D's, yes, I am hungry. D's, man, I'm so hungry in that hot dog. It's going to hit the spot. If you guys are going to a cookout this weekend, very simple process on eating a hot dog. You take the dog and you dip it. You dip that dog in your favorite dip. Whatever your favorite dip is, you dip it, man, and you shove it in one bite. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, D's, for the super sticker. Loving it, man. We named our daughter Luna, so naturally I had to buy in. Sean. That's a very, very good reason, man. No joke. We got Buff Stuff in the chat with an 11-month member chat. Boom! Peaches and Shiba to the moon. Little peach. Yes, Buff Stuff. Thank you very much for the for the member chat right there, and the 11-month bro. Congratulations, Buff Stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, Sam Demand was muted. Any chance you could unmute him? Yeah, shoot, man. We can make it happen. I think if I can find him. Let's see here. All right, we gotta go to settings, community, hidden users. I hate the way YouTube does this hidden users thing. I can't search for a specific person, and the box is so small. Scroll all the way to the bottom. See if they're down towards the bottom. Oh, man. Can I control F? Sam Demand number 3, no longer muted. All right. You actually can control F, so that was a lifesaver. All right, Sam Demand number 3, you are no longer muted, man. No ignore for real. Shiba to the moon from Fremont, California. Amit Singh. Amit, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's go. Shiba, Shiba, Shiba to the moon. Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. I really hope that Shiba goes to the moon too, guys. I know a lot of people in here for Terra Luna Classic right now, but I absolutely hope that Shiba Inu coin just soars in value as well. Clay, Lottery Stocks, want to go live with you? Dude, how do we go? Like, what's the best way to do it? Thank you, Claybro and JB. Sam Demand is in here. I love it, Sam Demand. Sorry, I don't know how you got muted, man, but you're good now. But Verb, don't sleep. Buy Verb. Don't sleep on it. Jose. Buy Verb. Who's messing with Sam Demand? I don't know who messed with Sam Demand. It wasn't me. It's a live stream with a channel on Bankless with CZ Binance mentioning the LUNC burn and how he doesn't know so much about it and needs to talk to his team. No, I did not see that. That sounds to me like a typical workaround from some guy that likes to act like he's busy, like a CEO would do. Trust me, man. You could probably ask anybody in the crypto space, and they would know about the Terra Luna Classic burn. Like, come on. Anybody. I mean, maybe my mom. My mom might even know, man. She might watch my videos. You know, I don't know. But, like, I don't know. Just somebody, maybe your mom wouldn't know about the 1.2% burn tax. CZ Binance knows about that stuff, man. If not, he's kind of a lame CEO. It's because I was bad for talking to the girl. Ooh, Sam, don't talk to the girls bad then, man. Be a good boy, Sam. Be a good boy. I am swimming in millions of LUNC and Shib. Feels like Dagobert ducks safe. Just wait. STSY? That might be Scrooge McDuck. You're Dagobert. Can anybody confirm that Dagobert Duck is actually Scrooge McDuck? Because I've never heard of Dagobert, but Scrooge McDuck has a very nice safe with a lot of money in it that you can go swimming in. Why is Mullen dying today? 219 million trade volume and down 12%. Keith, I do not know the news on Mullen Auto. If anybody's got some news on Mullen Auto, let us know. But I did see that Mullen was down, man, 53 cents right now. And it was what, 79 cents yesterday? I think it was yesterday. It was at 79 cents in the morning. I asked my dad about it, and he knows. He says he says the same thing you say, then gets out the cables again. I will never get the cables out on you, Dr. DeQual. Well, so of course you what? Never mind. Anyone now about not me, man, not me. I'm not about Terra Luna 2.0. And the only reason I can think that Terra Luna 2.0 is rising is because of exchange volume and these exchanges kind of jumping on and supporting Do Kwon. That's the only thing that I've got, man. Sorry if you already spoke about this. What do you think about Nostromo? So I think because it coincided so perfectly. If you want a little bit more detail, you can go watch that video I posted about an hour ago. But I think because it coincided so perfectly in time frame with Luna Classic dumping and Terra Luna 2.0 ripping higher, I think that you saw a lot of money being pulled out of Terra Luna Classic and flowing into Terra Luna 2.0. Do I think it was retail? Do I think it was lunatics? Do I think it was, people buying crypto? No. Personally, I think, and obviously I don't know if you'll ever know unless you go look at blockchain records and do some sort of an audit like that. I don't necessarily have the skill to do that or the time to go and do a full audit or anything. But I think we probably saw a lot of exchanges dumping off of their 10x Terra Luna Classic profit that they had over the last couple of months here and helping their buddy Do Kwon out. That's what I imagine we saw. Yes, Sam, I honestly haven't been listening, and I know you probably nailed it on the head and got muted for talking to girls. Probably the only thing you Shots fired, baby. Shots fired. Oh, man. Chris, calm down on Sam, dude. This is not pick on Sam day. Sam's a good guy. I don't know if you're right or not, but don't be shooting shots like that. It's too early on a Friday. At least wait until like Friday evening or something. Hoodbro FYI posted positive info with 25,000 in contacts about you, so we should help push you over the 100,000. Hope it helps. Eagle GP, man, appreciate that. Anytime you guys share the live stream, share the videos, say, hey, go check out Claybro's channel. Dude, I don't care if every single one of your friends say, no, crypto's stupid, Claybro's stupid, I'll never watch that fool, whatever. But I do want to say thank you. I do want to say thank you for you guys doing that. I know it's not like, you know, it's something that you do. So it's kind of like a little bit of an insight into what you spend your time watching too. So thank you guys for sharing any of the content and stuff like that. And I know for a fact the only reason we have 100,000 plus right now is because you guys are absolutely killing it and amazing, man. So thank you very much, Eagle, for doing that. Can't wait till Monday. Week paid vacation is so awesome. Keith, heck yeah, man. Keith, maybe I can get your shirt out this weekend or something so you can wear it all vacation. You could just like wear a hole in it your entire vacation. Let's see here. Sing, I will try my best. D's with another banana, baby. D says, ooh, let's see that licking stick, man. It's been about 10 minutes since I seen a licking stick. You take that banana, you peel it. You tilt the head back a little bit and maintain eye contact. You lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, D's, for the banana. Really appreciate the lick and stick from everybody today. Little market action. We are trending lower, guys. These lower highs that we keep hitting are holding up right here. So we're going to watch that take place. Let's get rid of this uptrend that we were in, and possibly we might have a... Nope, not vertical. I want another trend line. We might have a descending channel forming right here. So we've got these lower lows and lower highs being hit in a descending channel. So we're going to have to watch that. If it breaks out to the downside, we'll see what goes on there. But we might retest this 305.50 level and bounce back, and we might see some downward trend throughout the rest of the day. We will be keeping our eyes on that. Terra Luna Classic, kind of the same deal. We've got an afternoon downtrend forming here over the last couple of hours, but still major support levels being tapped right here, bounced off nicely. We could be tapping here again and bouncing off nicely in Terra Luna Classic. So we're going to have to watch how that plays out there. V for vodka. Thank you very much for the super chat. 325 people in here. Only 7 of us can like it. Oh my gosh. You might need to refresh your stream, V for vodka. But yes, guys, if we could have over, I don't know how many likes we got. Let's see how many likes we got. 90. Guys, there's 317 people in here and 94 likes. I do appreciate everybody who clicked the like button, but I really would like 317 of you to... Oh, man. That scared me. Buff stuff. Oh, buff stuff. Whew. That scared me, dude. That super sticker scared me right there. I'm telling you, that is an adrenaline shot. If you guys breathe in like that, that is an absolute adrenaline shot when you do buff stuff. Thank you very much for the super sticker, man. And 326 of you guys in here, please do click the like button on your way in. And if you do decide to leave, please click it on your way out. Let YouTube know that you guys are having a good time today. Time for an ad. Yeah, you guys might be getting an ad here pretty soon. I don't know. You guys can redeem yourself if you click that like button, but I don't know. It's my favorite super sticker. JB's got a favorite. The thing is, I can't even see myself when I do it because, like, breathing in like that is such a rush, and then, like, the face, I can't even see what's going on with it, but it's just a little bit... Oh, buff stuff, man. I don't understand why you guys like to... scare me so much like that. Golly bum. Buff stuff, thank you very much for the super sticker again, my man. Francis says you just scared the crap out of me. Francis, I'm sorry. Buff stuff scared the crap out of me. Guys, click that like button. Come on now. Everyone, 8. What's going on? Stick Beater. Jack, hopefully you're having a good day today, man. What's his name? His name is Buff Stuff. That is his name. LMAO, content creator, man. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Buff Stuff. Buff Stuff with an F, right? It's with an F. Buff stuff. Oi, Matthew Fidel, how you doing? No ads from me. Thanks, YouTube Premium. I actually don't mind YouTube Premium though, because it is cool. Like, if you guys have YouTube Premium and you think that, oh no, it might be bad, I don't have to watch any ads, but YouTube actually does split that up accordingly between, like, if you guys only watched my content and never watched anybody else's content, you know, I would get the majority of that YouTube Premium revenue or whatever, but it's not like you guys just completely destroy YouTube creators or anything like that by not watching the ads. it's very like it's a very small amount. I would assume because people probably don't have a lot of people probably don't have YouTube Premium, but oh gosh, buff stuff. Oh man. JB and buff stuff. Why do you guys have to come over with these super stickers? I'm getting so lightheaded because of I'm getting lightheaded, man, because that's like such a large inhale. I don't know how to do it, so you just take that hot dog, man, and you dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. You dip it down in your favorite dip, and then you take it and you shove it in one bite. D's, JB, buff stuff, man. Thank you guys very much for the super stickers. You guys are absolutely ridiculous, man. You can't do that 4 times in a row like that. That is way too much oxygen to be going to anybody's brain. Don't do that. It's good because I use YouTube Advanced. Good deal, Richard. No, I don't mind it at all, man. There's a small section that does support the creators for doing that, but nonetheless, you guys sign up for YouTube Premium if you want to sign up for YouTube Premium. Don't kill Clay today. It's AMC Trapper is gonna kill me, man. Oh my gosh, what an inhale! I'm telling you, AMC Trapper. Oh gosh, rise again. With the workout, with the iron pump. Thank you very much. Rise. Buff stuff. Oh, thank you very much. Buff stuff. For another super sticker. God, now I'm dizzy and everything's going on. D's! You take that salt shaker, man, and you pour that salt out on the table. You pour it out on the table and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. And because salt tastes so good, you gotta... but every time, dude, it gets in your eyes. And it stings, man. It stings, D's. Thank you very much for the super chat. Luna 2.0, what happened? It's Summers. I think Luna 2.0 jumped today because we have because we had a sell-off by exchanges in Terra Luna Classic, and they moved the money over to Terra Luna 2.0 to support Do Kwon. That's my thoughts. Not guaranteed to happen, but that's my thought on it, man. Dan, thank you very much for the super chat. Dan says, without Binance spot burns, LUNC is in trouble. If we find another way to implement burns that doesn't rely on the exchanges, problem is there's no utility on chain, and the only thing keeping LUNC alive is hype. I hope all of you sold to the top. Dan, I actually did not sell to the top. I do believe we could see a topper top, a higher high, more gains from here. If you are right, dude, we continue to stay excited about it. Without Binance supporting spot burns, it will be difficult to burn massive amounts. It doesn't mean that people can't move over to exchanges that do support burns, like KuCoin, Mexi Global, and so on. So there are alternatives to burn on spot trades. And it may backfire for Binance if they don't end up doing the 1.2% burn tax. But I do agree with you that we are at the stages right now where we do need utility being built as opposed to strictly just this hype and excitement. And one of the ways that we do get there, though, we have to clean up the mess first. We have to get these burns implemented. We have to keep people excited and so on in order to see the project thrive moving forward. So I don't think it's necessarily like a one and done just yet, but I do want to see some major burns. Pika! Thank you for the... I'm a tree in the wind. That's all I am. Stig meter. I couldn't make anything come out of there, but Stig meter, thank you very much for that super sticker. Oh my gosh, Rocky, man. Whoa, here's some coffee in the morning. Rocky, I've got your coffee right here, man. Rocky Kira, thank you very much for the super sticker. And one more time, Rocky is the man. Thank you very much, Rocky, for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys are killing it today, man. Are you worried about Luna? I'm kind of worried. At this point, no, I'm not worried just yet. Okay. I think that we would need to see not just this little bit of a sell-off that we've got going on right here, because look, we could still absolutely bounce off these support levels too. I think that in order to get worried about it, we would need to see the burn tax completely fail or something. We've still got all of the catalyst to drive Terra Luna Classic higher that we had just yesterday. It's just Binance might be causing a little bit of problems right now. I've already seen thousands of people saying they will migrate to different platforms if Binance doesn't support the tax like they should. The people want it, and also on-chain, don't get on-chain. No, people want it to succeed, and that's what matters most. Facts, man. Dan with another super chat. Dan says, since burn taxes are controlled by the chain and the chain is controlled by the community, the only way to implement the burn tax is with utility. We need billions of dollars transacting on chain to achieve anywhere near the coins expected to be burnt. 100% agree with you. If that doesn't include on exchange transactions, right? If we can get these exchanges. And here's my mentality on it. The exchange should see the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is built on these burns. Therefore, we should respect what the Terra Luna Classic blockchain is built on. And I use the same example. It might be a bad example, but you know, the Bitcoin blockchain doesn't allow for more than 21 million Bitcoin to ever be minted. If you've got an exchange that says, well, forget about the Bitcoin blockchain, we want to mint 100 million Bitcoin. Why would they be allowed to do that? Why would they be allowed to allow you to trade Bitcoin that don't exist? Same way, I think that they should respect the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and implement any burn taxes that are on that chain. It is a part of the coin. So that's kind of my thoughts on it, but I do agree with you, man. If we continue to grow and we do develop this this on-chain utility, and we can see transactions that way, yeah, dude, we've got a beautiful setup ahead of us, and I agree wholeheartedly, man. 1111 Simon, hope this helps ease your throat. Oh, it will, Simon, it will. Thank you for the chapstick, Simon. Really appreciate that. And a little bit of salt never hurt anybody either, man. You throw it over your shoulder, and because it tastes so good. Every single time, dude. Every single time it goes straight in the eye, and I don't know why. Thank you very much, Simon, for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And it does look like, guys, the market is bouncing a little bit higher into the afternoon here. Broke out of that descending trend line we had off of this level of support right here and could be moving higher, back up to 306.08 right now. We're going to have to see how that plays out for the QQQ into the afternoon trade right here. Nonetheless, it has had a very, very strong 10 minutes. Intraday levels of resistance, however, may come in this area right here. So we're going to have to watch and see if it does get held up a little bit right here on the way up because of these highs that it was hitting earlier today and using as resistance. So we're going to watch that for a second. Keep your eye on it on the left-hand side of the screen if you want. But nonetheless, Terra Luna Classic seems to be hitting some lower highs throughout the afternoon here. We're going to have to see if this level plays out or if it is able to break back above this descending trend line right here that we've been seeing for the last hour or so. So we're definitely going to watch that and see what happens there. Heck yeah, Cladinho, Simonino, you already know what it is, man. I think it's done to confuse SA newcomers to buy Luna by September 12th rather than the Luna Classic DOMs. That absolutely could be a possibility there, man. I wouldn't overlook that as a possibility. Hello, it's Mr. George from Nigeria. Can LUNC hit $1 this year? FT Entertainment. Mr. George from Nigeria, thank you for being in here. I do want to say that I don't believe Terra Luna Classic is going to hit $1 this year. I think you need to see 99% supply burns in order to reach $1 mark relatively, not easily, but with a decent bull run. I think you need to burn a lot of coins. So I don't think we're going to burn that many this year, man. Buff stuff! Thank you very much for the... Clay Bros Peach, you ready for this? Buff stuff. You can touch it. Buff stuff, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. If you want to touch it, you can touch it, man. If you don't want to touch it, you don't have to touch it. It's all up to you. Hey, do you think LUNC will recover from the whales? I'm worried. I do. I do think that it's going to recover. I don't personally believe that these whales care about the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and the rebuild. The crazy thing is, man, people were buying Terra Luna Classic when it was trashed, when it went down to 0.00004, right? basically 90% lower than where it's at right now. They were buying and they were happy about it. And they were supporting this blockchain. The same way they did that, I believe they will absolutely do it again if it does come down further in price. Lunatics are lunatics for a reason, guys. They do things that don't make sense. And fortunately for us, they're supporting a project that we believe in. Clay, what's short interest percentage on AMC? Eric, I actually do not know the latest short interest percentage on AMC. AMC, let's see here. Let's see. As of 4 days ago, 21.5%. As of 4 days ago, 21.5%. If you are using Fintel data, and this is, I believe this is released twice a month. I don't know when the last release was, but the short interest there is 17.3%. So we've got short interest with 4.32 days to cover. So we've got short interest somewhere between 17 and 20%. Conservatively, if you're going by Fintel data, which is, supposed to be the accurate data based on reported shares twice a month, you've got 17.3%. Where are we at here? Looks like whoa, buff stuff. Very interesting, man. It's kind of crazy. Nick Ortex. Yeah, we need Nick Ortex, please. Clay, looking at all the charts, do you believe we are still, we are starting a bull run? Saitama Dog. No, not necessarily, man. If you're looking at all the charts of crypto, yes, Bitcoin had a very nice day today. Shiba Inu coin had a pretty nice day today, but it's actually pulling back a little bit. Ethereum, down on the bottom left, nice day today. But I don't think that this is necessarily the start of a bull run. What I think this is a bounce off this support level. It's truly what I think it is. If you come down here and you look what happened in June, right? You watch us fall in June, we bounce off support. Hit this little level of resistance then, start to fall, channel right in between. Break this level of resistance and come back up and set a new one here. Then channel this as support. And then we broke it down here, kind of traded around this line at 21,000, 22,000 for a while, and broke through. Now we're bouncing off this red line of support again, and we absolutely could run into resistance right here at this 21, 22,000 level and use that as resistance and bounce back off. We could trade sideways right here or bounce back off and move back down to 19. If we break through, I think we're going to have trouble with this 24,000 level again. 24, 25,000 range that we were testing multiple times last month in August. So I don't think that this is the start of a bull run. Let me say this though. It could be. If we do bounce, and if it breaks resistance, then yes, that would have been the start of the bull run. However, okay, just because we're seeing crypto bounce off nicely off of resistance or off of support lines right now, doesn't mean that that's the catalyst or that's the reason or that's the signal that we need to get on. It's simply using these technical levels of support and resistance right now, and traders are using these technical levels to make their buy and sell decisions. So that's what I think we got going on in the overall crypto market right now. I don't think that it's necessarily the beginning of a bull market. And actually, guys, if you look at the Terra Luna Classic daily chart, you can see that we are still in an extremely, extremely nice uptrend. All we did on today's price action was come back down and test this trend line right here. I mean, you guys can see. If you're looking at this chart, I can't really bring it out much further, but we ran up, tested this trend line, ran up, and came down and tested this trend line again. We absolutely could run back up, test this trend line. What I think we might see is a consolidation in this potential wedge right here that's forming on the daily uptrend. 58, 59,000 is extremely significant resistance, and it dates back all the way to when we fell from $1. If we continue to follow this uptrend and use it to make our higher lows, then we could be consolidating into this period, into this wedge right here. And that's actually going to coincide to a time period around September 20th. So not impossible to see some action on Terra Luna Classic bouncing back and forth between this level right here. So we will watch that. But nonetheless, man, I don't think that it's like a terrible thing to see this happening to Terra Luna Classic right now. Now we got a lot of lines on the chart. Clean up some of those lines a little bit there. Razi, hold LUNC and buy the dip. Heck yeah, Razi. A lot of people are doing just that, man. I don't know anybody that's been, I guess, scared into selling, made afraid into selling LUNC today, or selling LUNC because they're scared of the price action. We know it's volatile. We know it's crazy. We know it moves. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now. Razi, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Sam, good people don't always go to church. I never go to church. I think I'm a good guy. Sam, Mr. Simon, I think you're a good guy too, man. But, same time, good people do go to church. Bro, thank you for your videos. I got a question for you. Why do you think Do Kwon changed Luna to LUNC and then bring Luna back again? What's his plan in this move? So, Siyun Kabadai. I think that Do Kwon has abandoned Terra Luna Classic. So it was Terra Luna, right? And then when he decided to abandon it for Terra Luna 2.0, it changed the name to Terra Luna Classic. And the new one kept the name Terra Luna or Terra Luna 2.0. I think he did that in order to have a clean slate, to continue building on something, and to continue making his living with Terra Luna and bringing all the developers and stuff over. I really don't think he's got too much involvement in the price action today in Terra Luna Classic and 2.0 Rising. I think it's more exchanges that do. If I was scared, there you go, Carlos. I have already seen thousands of people say they will migrate to different platforms if Binance doesn't support the tax like they were supposed to the community wants LUNC to succeed, and that is important. It absolutely is, man. Dark, bro, 100%. I was hoping it was going a little lower, so I didn't average up as much. Hey, D's, nothing wrong with that, man. If you guys are still believing in the future, and these price swings are dip buying opportunities for you, that's exactly the way you see this price action today, is a major opportunity to buy more and add to your portfolio. Bro, is the vote tomorrow? Yeah, so I think the vote should be done by tomorrow, right? We've got, there's voting going on in Terra Station right now with like 98% of the votes in, 99% of the votes in, and 99% of the votes are yes votes. So it is looking very good, man. Might get you muted, Buff Stuff. Uh-oh, Buff Stuff might get muted. I don't know. Hey, fam, late here. But, DD214, it's better to be late than not here at all. I just want to say congratulations on 100,000. You deserve 500,000, Sir Mr. Jason. We'll make it happen, man, but really appreciate that. Congratulations, dude. Is 1 cent still attainable by end of year? Batman, so... yeah, technically it is. But in order to see 1 cent reached, I truly believe that we need to see a bull market in crypto, not just a massive run and a massive rally in Terra Luna Classic. I think we need to see a bull market in crypto in general to see that price point reached, man. Let's see. Thanks for your info. I'm staking LUNC and want to know when to take profit and add to staking bags. Is there a system? Kevin, everybody can come up with a system, man. But I'm going to tell you, the moment you've got a system that says this is the only way to make money, the market will break your system. It really will. So I don't think that there's some sort of a system that's guaranteed to make you money on the best times to take profit, the best times to get in, get out, and so on. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, not crypto related, but I need tacos. Dude, yeah, I would like some tacos too, man. I haven't had tacos in a while. Tacos would be good. Guys, the NASDAQ bouncing back nicely right now. The NASDAQ well out of that downward channel that it was in going into the afternoon here, bouncing above this intraday resistance level right here. Looks like it could be retesting resistance at 306.60, sitting at 306.30 right now. We're going to have to see how that plays out, but it does look like this upward action is going to continue on here. No more downward action. So very volatile day, going from 306 down to 305, back up to 306. Could come back down to 305, but man, you would need a deep decline right here to get back down into this downward trend. So we're gonna have to see what goes on. We saw this volatility in this downdraft here about coinciding almost immediately when the Fed took the stand and started to talk here. 12:01, they started talking at 12, and we had a nice sell-off, which caused some hesitation and caused some selling, and now it does seem to be recovering from whatever they said today, and back up to 306.46 right now. D's, thank you very much for the hamburger. D's. Dude, yeah. Hamburgers are good, man. D's, thank you very much for the hamburger. Really appreciate that. And we've got a new little bro in the chat, baby. Matthew Wheeler, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. I need to see 411. Welcome, Matthew Wheelers, into the chat right now. Matthew, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, guys. Please be supportive of those that support the channel and say welcome, welcome, welcome to Matthew. 411 of you guys type welcome to Matthew as I'm taking a drink here and easing my throat a little bit. Oh, man. Please answer. What do you think LUNC will do? Will it go back up? So what I think we've got going on right now, yeah, man, is a little bit of a pullback. And we just talked about it not too long ago. But if you're looking at the daily chart for Terra Luna Classic, all we're seeing right now is a pullback to this ascending trend line. So we ran higher, steadied off, hit this trend. Ran higher, kind of pulled back a little bit, hit this trend. Ran higher, nicely higher, pulled back a little bit, hit this trend. Now we absolutely could see, even if we end right here today, we absolutely could see us run higher, hit this resistance again, pull back to this trend line right here. We may see Terra Luna Classic start to form a wedge in between this area with resistance at 58, 59,000 points, and then the ascending level of support going from 38, 39, 40, 41, 45, and so on until we get into this little area right here. And from there, we can either break out to the upside or we can start to channel between this area the very same way, missed it. The very same way that Terra Luna Classic was channeling between 10,000 and 8,000 points for a couple months here. So it doesn't mean that the price action is done, but as you can see on this hourly chart, connecting all of the higher lows that we're hitting here, it runs, it bounces back. I mean, there's nothing you could do too much about that right there. It runs, it bounces back. It runs, it bounces back. We could absolutely run again and bounce back. So it's just, I don't think it's done, man. I don't think it's over. I do think that it could fall. I don't think that it's inevitable that it goes up. But I do think that we could see some, ascending trend leading us into this wedge right here that we should be aware of. Oh, man. But nonetheless, guys, overall market looks like it's doing pretty well right now. Nothing but green lines for the last half hour on the NASDAQ. Posting nothing but green lines there. AMC posting nothing but green lines for the last half hour. GameStop, nothing but green lines for the last half hour. We've got the overall NASDAQ. I mean, it's the same thing as QQQ, but all green lines for the last half hour. Looking very good in the overall stock market right now. Looks like Braille. Yeah, man, some decent gains. And with nobody else coming out to talk about the market this afternoon, I would imagine these levels sustain themselves unless, of course, we see some sort of a massive bounce off that resistance level that we've got on the chart there. So if we don't see a massive decline off this red resistance, then I would imagine we're going to have a decent afternoon into the close right here for the overall stock market and a lot of these stocks that do follow the market pretty well. We don't really have any catalysts coming up on the economic calendar. Oh, thanks. Where are we at here? Economic calendar. Yeah, we don't have any other catalysts coming up on the economic calendar right here. As you guys can see, we're pretty much through all of those today. We had the Fed speaking there, and this stuff doesn't really do anything at all. So no real catalyst coming up. The only thing that would drive us lower at this point is a technical decline off that level of resistance if we hit it again and get denied. So look at that and consider it if you guys want. But Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat, Chris. Chris Scartelli, thank you very much for sending that super chat there. Really appreciate that, man. Absolutely incredible. And all of you guys are amazing. We got 459 people in here. That's quite a bit, guys. Don't forget to click the like button if you haven't done so already. There are currently 203 likes. And I know with 459 people in here, you could easily jump that number above 300 very quickly. So please do consider clicking the like button if you have not already. And we are currently watching AMC roll, man. AMC sitting at $9.67, up 12% on the day. GameStop doing very well, up 11% on the day. Shiba Inu coin kind of bouncing back and forth there. But some interesting action going on with Terra Luna Classic today in the fact that it is falling as Luna 2.0 is rising. Click the like button. Listen to SD, guys, and click that like button. Subscribe as well. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. Man, please read the market cap tweets above. Ricardo. Man, check that tweet above. Do you think it's a reasonable assessment? Let's see what Ricardo said. Where did Ricardo go? Ricardo, I actually don't think that the previous message came across, man. I think YouTube must have blocked it, perhaps because it had something copy and pasted in it. I'm not sure. They didn't want, but I think that YouTube may have blocked that from coming over. I don't see it. Vecna, I don't understand why you have to... Oh, scare me every single time you send a super chat like that. My goodness, Vecna, dude. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Incredible. I've gone green. Matthew is green, guys. Thank you very much. Very much for going green, Matthew. Really appreciate that, man. Ricardo, bro, what happened? I don't know. I missed it. I didn't see it. Hey, bro, my darn Subway job, but no more floor butter, so is good. Sam Demand, good deal, man. We don't need no floor butter over there. No ignore, please and thank you. Never ignore, Sam. Shib Luna Army bouncing from the one and the other as they make more earnings. Could be. Hey, it could be, dude, but I think a lot of the downward pressure in Terra Luna Classic today was because of... like the Luna 2.0 running as well. I feel like Luna Classic will drop more, and then I'll invest. Hey, Venus, no problem. If you guys are anticipating a further drop, that's okay. Yes, thank you for no ignore. Absolutely, Sam Demand. I thought crypto was the future when Shib hit 0.008. Remember, any crypto can turn on a dime. Roulette wheel. It absolutely can, man. When are we going to receive remaining Luna? Any idea? Crypto Kidda. I forget what the vesting period was. I'd have to go back and either reread some of my tweets or rewatch that video I did on it. I do forget the vesting period time frame. It was something like, oh geez, man, I don't know, like immediately you receive that percentage, and then it might have been 6 months or a year you receive again, and then some of the whales, it took them out to like 4 years to receive the total of their Terra Luna 2.0. But I actually forget the vesting time frame on that, man. Let's see here. What do we got? Thoughts on CZ's tweet about panic selling? I think the guy tries to be, I think he tries to be relevant, okay? I think he tries to be relevant. Let me put it that way. Smash that like button and no spamming. Keep the comments respectful. Absolutely. Listen to Frank, guys. We nearly topped on a reasonable market cap with current circulation. Ricardo. Reasonable market cap around $3 billion. I do think that that is reasonable. But I think that the market cap can go higher. I think that it absolutely can go higher. So do I think that we've necessarily topped out? No, not necessarily. But calling that a reasonable market cap is good. I think it is a reasonable market cap. Guys, zoom out. We are okay. We absolutely are, guys. Absolutely. J Bones in the house, baby. What's going on? Strange C Terra 2.0. Yes, it is. Very strange, Yogi. Very strange. But, guys, it is 1 o'clock. We are going to take off for now. We will be back later. Thank you to everybody for watching the live stream. Absolutely appreciate it. If you have not done so, please click the like button on the way out. All of that good stuff. But we're going to be back with the afternoon stream a little bit later. Videos this evening. Heck yeah. Thank you guys very much for watching right now. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout outs and then we will be back. Tim Shemp, man, thank you very much for changing your name and making it easier. J Bones, Yogi, Simon, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Frank, Mr. Simon, Lieutenant Jones, see you later. John J. Boom, it's time to head out. It's 1 o'clock right now. Sam Demand, Arga, Soon, Matthew, Sam Demand, Rozzy, Chris, Matthew, Dark Bro, Mel, Frank, King Mamba, Mr. Simon, Matthew, Fidel, J-Bones, Francis, Forgot My Cup, JB, Hustle and Hub, see you later. SD, later to you. Next Level, Doctor, see you later, Doctor. DD214, Hustle, see ya. Jesse, T-Play, Any Questions Podcast, see you later, man. Hustle and Hub, see you later. Edward, Sam Demand, Pomp, let's go. Mr. Simon, Yogi, Pika Power, have an awesome day. Absolutely, Guitar Shop, Vergel, Balga, Dragon, see you later. Rocky, John J, JB, Rogero, Matthew, Imperian, Sam the Man. We've got Lieutenant Jones, Baruto, Uzumaki, see you later. All of you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.